Where is this God who knows what should happen in our life? You really think there is somebody up there sitting and checking, ये सुन रहा है क्या, ये बोल रहा है क्या, ये इसको देख रहा है क्या? Not possible. Humanly impossible, God willing impossible, divine impossible, impossible. There is no one God sitting somewhere trying to regulate our lives. Who knows what's going to happen in your life? Nobody knows. Whatever action you do, it will happen. Very simple. Every step we are taking our action. We are using destiny as a, क्या बोलते हैं, as a backup. क्या करें, मेरा नसीब में ऐसा था. अच्छा, तो बहुत सारा चीज पे नसीब पे डाल के हम लोग बैठ जाएंगे ना. हम लोग को खुद कर्म योगा मीन्स टेकिंग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर एवरी एक्शन वी डू, एवरी एक्शन, सब कुछ. देन कृष्णा विल से कर्ता मत बनो, दैट विल कम लेटर. That we just know the words, how to not become a karta. But karta mat bano will come much later when we realize much of our the knowledge. Right now where we are all kartas. So based on that, this talk is being said. So understanding that, I feel I'm the doer, मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मैंने ये क्यों किया, मैंने वो क्यों किया. ये अगर ये thought process है, तो फिर भगवान किधर है इधर? When you pick a particular shirt in the morning or a dress in the morning, is God telling you which shirt to put? No. When you eat the laddu and the stuff and the sweet and the pastry, is God telling you eat or don't eat? No. Okay. When you get diabetes, then God is telling you, right? When suddenly बीमारी आ गया तो भगवान आ गया कि मेरे नसीब में ऐसा डाल दिया, पता नहीं मैंने क्या पाप किया था. पाप कुछ नहीं किया, लड्डू ज्यादा खा लिया, तभी डायबिटीज शुरू हो गया था. वैसे भी इंडाइजेशन शुरू हुआ तभी शुरू हुआ था, बट बाय द टाइम इट केम आउट द बॉडी इट टुक 5 years. द फर्स्ट लड्डू स्टार्टेड इट, द प्रोसेस. द फ्रूट वाज रिसीव्ड इन द फर्स्ट लड्डू. व्हेन द 100th लड्डू यू गॉट डायबिटीज. ओके, तो 100 खाने तक रुके थे, तुम्हारी बॉडी रुकी थी, प्रकृति रुकी थी. प्रकृति हैज something, some kind of like it can rain anytime. We have no control. It can suddenly, the sun will be there, suddenly it will become cloudy. No control. It's winter, we have no control. Prakriti goes as per us also. Right now, why are we working for the environment? Why are we trying to avoid plastic? Why are we doing all this? So that Prakriti is more balanced. So that the sun and the rain and everything is happening beautifully on time. अभी जहाँ हीट है वहां एक्सेसिव हीट हो गया है, जहाँ ठंडी है वहां एक्सेसिव. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस आउट इट. कैसे बैलेंस कर रहे हैं हम लोग? बाय अवॉइडिंग ऑल द नॉनसेंस दैट वी पुट इन द एनवायरनमेंट. प्लास्टिक बंद करो तो झाड़ काटो, पेपर बनाओ. अभी कैसे ना कैसे एनवायरनमेंट का वाट लगने वाला ही है. ऐसा करो नहीं तो वैसा करो. वी हैव टू स्टॉप कंज्यूमिंग सो मच. Okay, with the population is growing, our variety is growing. पहले सिर्फ दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी बनती थी, अब दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी यहाँ बनती है. Okay, so that so much what we do, उसके लिए उतना पैकेट्स, उतना प्लास्टिक, उतना सब आने लग गया. It's because of over consumption. ओवर कंजम्पशन कम नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग प्लास्टिक के बदले में अभी पेपर लाने वाले, और पेपर के लिए हम लोग ट्रीज कट करने वाले, और उसके बाद बरसात नहीं होगी एंड वी आर स्टिल इन अ मेस. सो इफ यू रियली वांट टू डू समथिंग, ऑल ऑफ अस नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी आर ओवर कंज्यूमिंग एवरीथिंग. क्लोथ्स, द वर्स्ट थिंग हैपनिंग, क्लोथ्स. कितना लेते हैं फेंक देते हैं, लेते हैं फेंक देते हैं. क्यों? सस्टेनेबल क्लोथिंग. अब ये भी है, सस्टेनेबल क्लोथिंग ले लो, 10 जोड़ी ले लो बस, उसके बाद लेना ही नहीं. बट वो पहले जो लिया उसका क्या? सो द होल पॉइंट इज, इवन इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर सस्टेनेबल क्लोथिंग, दैट इज लाइक all these cotton industries, khadi, Fab India, etc., which are highly expensive, you can go for that. But the point is, you need to have minimal wardrobe, and that needs to stay for 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 years. each of your clothes. If your clothes are wearing out quickly, that means you're not buying good clothes. Don't buy them. Fast fashion is the worst thing that's happened to us. We buy, fashion chala gaya, de do, phek do. And sab uta ke everybody's throwing it. It's all going in the drain. How are the clothes coming? Somebody is weaving it, or it's all happening in the machine. Fast fashion is happening in the machine. There is no yarn nowadays. Rare few are using the yarn. So when you think about how things are going, how everything is happening, it's just going from here to there. Everything. So coming back to where Ravi had asked the question about whether the God is there and God is taking all the decisions. So surely if God knows everything, then God is only guiding us. So then I would like to ask, where is God? If anybody has met him, I would also like to go and meet him. Him or her or it or whatever it is. So there is no a God who is particularly sitting somewhere and knowing what's going to happen. What happens is we become God-like, like divine, because we get closer to our own self. We seem to be divine, like gurus and swamis and all these people. When you meet them, you feel you're nearest to God. You're nearest to what God could be. And they know what's going to happen in your life not because they're big astrologers. Believe me, they just see your vrittis. They see your drama. They see where that desire is coming from. They look at your desires and they say, ab tu yahi karne wala hai. And we feel, Guru ne bol diya. Guru ne dekha ki tum nahi kar rahe ho. Andar se desire is pushing and you're going to do it. So Guru said, iska yahi hone wala hai. This is how it works. There's a clear open up of what's happening. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But even me, right now, if I look at one person, I know where their vrittis are, where their tendencies are, and I know how they're, moving ahead. It's as simple as that. So somebody who is much realized, much higher, maybe they've done a lot of sadhana, they will to immediately know. Dekhte hi pehchano ya nahi pehchano. देखते ही पता चलेगा, एक दो एक्शन से पता चल जाएगा कि टेंडेंसी किधर है. टेंडेंसी के बेसिस पे एक्शन हो रहा है. तो then they will know exactly what is the next step they are going to do. Without a doubt. So all actions right now, knowingly, consciously, unconsciously, नींद में is happening by us. हम लोग ही कर रहे हैं. ऐसे ही चलेंगे so that we don't shift our responsibility to some unknown God somewhere and say, पता नहीं मैं अभी तुमने ड्रिंक उठाया, ठीक है, तो क्या भगवान ने बोला उठाने को? नहीं, लेकिन भगवान होते तो पता होता कि तुम उठाने वाले हो. जरूर पता होता, क्योंकि टेंडेंसी पता है. यही बोल रहे हैं हम लोग कि the whole point is forget God. Forget God. You take responsibility for whatever action is happening, whatever you're doing throughout the day. Forget about the past. We are not even speaking about the past. From today, from right now, every single action you do is being done by you. Now you do it consciously, unconsciously. Check from where it is coming, which desire is pushing, where is this desire, who put it, why am I still holding on to it? Yes, sab you need to check. This is your personal journey, all of us. So all of us need to check from where it is coming. Don't ever say कि पता नहीं भगवान ने ऐसा कर दिया. It's not fair because there is no भगवान ऐसा जो ये सब करा सकता है. There is no one power who can do this. There is one consciousness, and that is not one God. Okay, God becomes a form. We are speaking of one consciousness which is formless. So Krishna is technically, when he is speaking from the point of consciousness. Then he comes down to the form and then speaks, and then the consciousness. So there are different different levels where he speaks. So at times he'll be speaking like the dost, and sometimes he'll be speaking from the level of the consciousness. But still, to speak, a body is needed. That's where Prakriti comes in. That's where gunas come in. So here we need to understand that every karma, all actions, let us understand we are only doing it. Anyhow, हम लोग ही कर रहे हैं. अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं तो कैसे करें? Then we say, पता नहीं, शायद संचित कर्म उठ के आया. अब मेरा प्रारब्ध है. All these we will understand later on in depth. But right now, let us not use these stuff, these little bit of knowledge and information that is floating here and there to avoid responsibility for our action. It is like, पता नहीं मेरा प्रारब्ध है, बस हम पीते ही रहते हैं, या मेरा बीमारी है इसके लिए, इसकी वजह से ही है, या मैं फूंकता ही रहता हूँ क्योंकि मेरा वॉट एवर फूंकता रहती वॉट एवर, और आजकल तो वेपिंग भी चल रहा है, पता नहीं और क्या क्या है. सो ये सब हो रहा है, पता नहीं मेरा तो प्रारब्ध है. व्हाट? जब पैदा हो गए थे ये प्रारब्ध, तभी तो वेपिंग था ही नहीं. तुम पैदा हो गए तभी ये चीज ही नहीं था ये वर्ल्ड में, तो ये तो तुमने डेवलप किया. जब ड्रग्स थे ही नहीं तब तुमने ड्रग्स का जब भी आ गया सडनली मार्केट में तो ले लिया. तो क्या भगवान ने बोला लेने को? नो, I was attracted to it and I did it. That's all. Let's take responsibility for everything. Let's be responsible in our karma. There is no way where we can say, मेरा नसीब नहीं है इसके लिए मैं सत्संग नहीं पहुंच पाती, मेरा नसीब नहीं है इसके लिए I'm not going high on my spiritual path. Work hard. Simple answer. Work hard and you will do it. Work hard and it will happen. It will. There is no choice. Every time you work, that very moment you will get the fruit of that sadhana. Immediately. Abhi yoga abhyas kiya, abhi ke abhi you will feel good. Or you will feel like, oh, I really worked hard today. And 6 mahine ke baad you will feel, oh, I became more flexible. That's the second story. Right now you got what you were supposed to get. If I go for walking for 6 months, after 6 months I will lose 10 kg? No. Every time you go for walking, you are losing those grams directly. Every walk, every asana, every exercise, the fruit is right there. So don't put your eyes on something which is going to happen sometime. Then you'll be disappointed. Because you'll start the walking today, and in 3 months you will leave it. And after 6 months, when you look for the fruit, you probably gained 2 kg because you stopped walking. So that's not how it works. Every day, her action ka fruit tabi ka tabi. But then you will say, but I wrote the exam now, na. But I got the result after 2 months, na. That is a separate action by itself. The result का आना is a separate action. और उसका fruit तभी आएगा. Right now when you write, you have already done what needs to be done. वो fruit तभी मिल चुका है. उसके बाद 2 महीने के बाद स्थूल रूप में तुम्हारे सामने वो कार्ड आएगा. The report card. Okay, the physical report card will come then. But the actual report was already happening when you were writing the exam. So everything happens right now. Understand this and go in depth on what is being said. So this will help us to take responsibility for everything in our life. It's like, suppose I'm overweight or I have some issue, I'll say, क्या करे अभी, भगवान की मर्जी. और जब पिज्जा खाया तो किसकी मर्जी थी? ऐसा थोड़ी है. हम जो खाते, हम जो लाइफस्टाइल लीड करते हैं, हम कितना सोते हैं, हम कितना स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, everything is dependent on how we are today. How our physical status, how our mental status depends on so many things. So many things. And so all the things we need to take responsibility. If you want good health, take responsibility. Make a nutrition chart, make your whatever you need to do, I don't care. Do that. Suppose you want to be in spiritual, do all that's required. Do your sadhana, do your pranayama, spend time in chanting, reading the scriptures. Most time should be spent in reading scriptures actually. Sadhana and all is not good or bad. But we become like, I'm doing sadhana, I'm doing this kriya, and I'm like this, and my chakra is rising. Don't get trapped in all these things. Knowledge is supreme. Finally, you will only know one day. If right now you may not agree, one day you will know that knowledge is important. Without the knowledge, everything is just mere action. And all the actions sadhana we do is for something. Again, but knowledge tells us there is nothing to achieve.